Welcome back, guys. So yeah, as you can see, my lawn's still looking rather shabby. It's grown a bit since then. This was actually recorded about 2 or 3 weeks back. But yeah, we got to start by poking more holes in this than a M Night Shyamalan plot line. And yeah, just make sure to really aerate it deep. The more you can aerate this lawn, the better. As like a lot of this is to do with the heat, but also a lot of it's to do with the roots growing too close together.
The only week you don't want to be out here.
But just get in there and really try and separate them with this aeration tool, and also just let the water or any sort of product that you spray penetrate deep into the grass rather than just on the surface level. I think I've explained it a couple of times, but yeah, there's a lot of benefits to it, and you'll see quite a good result a few weeks after you do this. Unfortunately, with the lawn, nobody really explains it to you that it is kind of like a second part-time job. Even with one this tiny lawn, this size, just trying to keep up with all the products and stuff that you got to use, and just making sure that it's got, even just watering it. They did offer me a sprinkler when this lawn was installed, a retic system, for an extra few $100, and I foolishly said no. So yeah, my advice straight away is to say yes, because in the summer you can obviously just program it to go watering it 4 times a day or whatever your council allows. But yeah, watering it before you go to work and once you come home usually does work, but you forget a couple of days and you only do it after you come home from work, and this is the sort of thing that happens. And yeah, you really need to be able to soak in that lawn. So now we can see that we're using the lawn starter, the seasol lawn starter. And yeah, since spraying this stuff out, I've had a fairly good result. A lot of that middle patch has sprung back. It's still not fully green, unfortunately. Yeah, it had a fairly good result, and this is stuff that you're really supposed to spray when you put down new seeds or a new roll. But I just thought, look, if it's the best stuff for growing lawn out, then this is kind of what I need at the moment, because most of this lawn's dead and won't be coming back, so I've got to depend on what grass is left to sort of grow out and start conquering that lawn back for me, you know. So yeah, just spread that around. Probably better to go on a pattern. You can see that I've gone sort of crazy, waddling all around the place, but yeah, probably best if you can go on a pattern, just to make sure you don't miss any spots. And then of course, after we're done spraying the seasol, we're going to make sure that we soak it really well with just water. You can see it's starting to run out here. You can see how it's spraying white water instead of the brown seasol material. Yeah, I do go a bit overboard with this sometimes because I spray a fair bit more than what's recommended, but in my experience so far, it's actually worked for the better of the lawn rather than to the detriment of it. So yeah, that's been good. But yeah, just make sure to really soak it. You can get it wetter than a politician's sweat glands at questioning time. And yeah, so anyway, if you like this sort of content, please like and subscribe for more videos. We've got more stuff coming on the way. I've released 2 videos today because it's been a few weeks since I've released anything. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe for more.